Imbat in-room close control unit. Designed for performance, engineered for precision. Imbat in-room units are engineered to deliver precise and reliable control of temperature and humidity in critical environments such as data centers, telecommunication centers, and laboratories. Each feature works together to ensure optimal performance. Multiple air intake and discharge configurations provide flexibility. Master-slave system ensures redundancy and load balancing. Durable double-skin panel with 30 mm rock wool insulation ensures advanced insulation. High-efficiency filters remove particulates from the air, ensuring clean airflow to sensitive equipment. EC fans ensure efficient and precise airflow control with low energy consumption. Electric heater maintains precise temperature in low load or cold start conditions. Integrated humidifier maintains optimal humidity levels, essential for data center and laboratory environments. High-efficiency scroll compressor delivers reliable cooling for stable environmental control in standard applications. Inverted scroll compressor modulates capacity, optimizing energy usage and efficiency. High-efficiency coil provides consistent cooling even under high thermal loads. Electronic expansion valve precisely controls refrigerant flow based on real-time load conditions. Factory-installed service valves enable quick and tool-friendly pipe connections without soldering, simplifying installation and maintenance. The electrical cabinet is designed for quick and safe maintenance. It offers front access to all control and power components. Smart Control Panel offers easy monitoring, scheduling, and diagnostics. Imbat in-room close control unit, designed for performance, engineered for precision.